at about 1500 hours in the forest. On being challenged, they responded with a heavy automatic fire onto the troops. Our boys were ready, and over the next 3 hours in the encounter that ensued, all 5 were eliminated. Now I must add here that these terrorists were heavily armed to the teeth with AK-47 rifles, a large quantum of ammunition, bulk of which was expended onto own troops itself, under-barrel grenade launchers, multiple ammunition of grenades and other warlike stores. They were also prepared to undertake prolonged operations, in that they were carrying good quantities of rations, medicines, which have a lot of Pakistani markings. You would have seen it on your way in. All these items are out on display. You could just check it out for yourself. And to sum it up, I would just say that the troops carried out their operations efficiently and with speed, without any casualties to own troops. Thank you.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, 2468-501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.